Hello parents, hello teachers, hello students. Welcome to Teacher Yima's studio. Today we are looking at how to set questions using any of the AI tools, whether it is ChatGPT, Meta AI, or any other AI tool. Why do you need this video? Well, if you're a student and you need questions to revise for an IA exams, midterm, midsem, this video is for you. If you are a teacher, you need questions to test your students on what you've taught them, then this video is for you. If you're a parent and then you need questions to help your child to revise for an exams or for a test, well, this video is for you. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere, we'll be right back. Listen, to set questions using AI tools, you must prepare before you visit the AI tool. You must prepare before you visit whether it is Meta AI or ChatGPT. And with this lesson, I'm going to teach you using the ChatGPT. Know, number one, the number of questions you want and the type of questions that you want. You can ask the AI tool to set 30 questions. But how do you want it? Do you want it in true or false or multiple choice? Multiple choice is when you have A, B, C, or D, and then you have to select one of them as the answer, right? Great. Or you want them in fill in the blank space type of question, or you want it such that you would provide a short paragraph as an answer. How do you want the question? You should state it. So when you've done that, the next thing you have to do is to know the topic. What topic do you need the questions on? Do you need the questions on fractions, or you need a question on ecosystem, or you need the questions on critical thinking? What topic? Remember, you can do this for any type of topic. So you must identify the topic or topics that you want the questions on. So you can ask the AI tool to set questions on 2 or more topics. It could even be just one topic. But the most important thing you have to know is that first, you must know the number of questions you want. And secondly, you have to know the type of questions that you want. Okay. And then thirdly, you have to know the topics or topic that you want the questions on. The next thing I want you to look out for is the class of the pupil that you are setting the questions for. So, is the person in primary school, or is it primary 5 or primary 6? Is the person in JHS, the junior high school? Is the person in the junior high school 1 or 2 or 3? Is the person in senior high school? Is the person in the university? Great. You have to consider the class and the level, whether it's grade 5 or JHS 2 or SHS 3 or level 200, whatever it is, please make sure you state it. The reason why you are doing these, you are taking these cautions is that you don't want the AI to give you ambiguous answers. You don't want the AI to go way beyond the level of the person you are setting the questions for. You don't want the AI to also go way below, but then you want to restrict the AI that these questions are for a pupil in primary 6 and it's for this particular topic, and this is how I want the questions to be. Now, another thing you have to note is the purpose of the question. Is it an examination questions that you want AI to set for you as a teacher, or is it questions that you, a student, you need to help you revise for an IA or mid-sem or end of term, whatever it is stated in the write-up? Tell AI that I need questions to help my child study for exams, or I just need questions for my child to study on this particular topic, or my child is facing challenges with operations of fraction. Help me with 30 multiple choice questions to help my child. You must state the purpose of your questions. Remember, the reason is that you don't want AI giving you ambiguous answers. You don't want the AI giving you questions that you don't need, questions that are way beyond or way below your child. Okay? Now, the last but most important thing to do is that you are supposed to ask for answers. Yes, you ask for answers after you've gotten your questions. These answers will help you to revise. Those answers will help you to check what you've done. So if you're a student and you get answers, the answers will help you to check yourself, to mark when you're marking. When you are done answering the questions, the answers provided by the AI will help you to check whether what you've done is the right thing. As a parent, the answers will help you to mark what your child has done. It will help you to check whether what your child has done is really the right thing. And as a teacher, you need the answers to prepare a marking scheme. You can ask AI to prepare a marking scheme out after us. Okay, so as a teacher, you need the answers as a marking scheme. Yeah, so that is it. This is all you have to do when you are setting questions using AI. So before I go, let me show you how to do all that I've said using ChatGPT. Okay, so I'll launch the ChatGPT app. Okay, and I'm at ChatGPT. So I'm asking ChatGPT to set 30 multiple choice science questions on ecosystem for a primary six pupil as revision for the end of term examination. So let me forward the questions by clicking on the dark red spot here with an arrow, and then yes, AI has started the AI has started generating the questions for me. So it says that here are 30 multiple choice science questions on ecosystem for a primary six people as revision for the end of term examination. So yes, the questions are here. You can see them here. They are arranged from one down to the last one, which is 30. So here I have my 1 to 30 questions. Now that I have my questions, I would ask for answers. So answers please. Answers please. Let me just ask for answers. Pardon me. Yes. So here are the answers to the 30 multiple choice science questions. So number 1 is B, number 2 is D, number 3 is B. So yes, it has provided me with the answers to serve as a marking scheme for my child or for myself or for my students. Great. So this is basically how to set questions using ChatGPT and then getting answers later. Now, before we go, I have a very important information for you. Remember that the AI does not replace the need for a teacher. The AI does not replace the need for the textbook. Please, if you're a parent, if you're a student, and if you're a teacher, please make sure that you don't rely solely on AI for everything, because AI does not replace the need for you to do rigorous learning on your own. The AI does not replace the fact that you need a teacher to help you to learn. And above all, remember this, that the AI can make mistakes. It is here to help you and not to replace a teacher. Thank you very much for staying to the end. I hope this video was very educative. Please don't forget to like the video, follow me for more. Please don't also forget to subscribe. Please subscribe to the channel. Subscribe if you haven't already, and let me hear from you in the comment section how this video has been helpful to you. Until we meet next time for another lesson, this is your favorite teacher, Teacher Yuma. I'll see you in another lesson. God bless you. Bye bye.